The message specifies that some roof slabs have different elevations. To close the roof correctly, the inconsistency must be resolved. Proceed by cancelling the message. The vertexes in error are signaled both in plan and in 3D. Zoom in to view the different elevations for the two slopes. In the case of a pitch with a regular shape, place a point of the slope line on the ridge. Be sure that the slope line is perpendicular to the ridge. Using the snap nodes, align the height to the pitch of the other roof slab. In the case of roof slabs with an irregular shape, change the type of slope, setting it to through 3 points. Change the position of the slope points in plan by positioning at least 2 of them along the ridge. Using the snaps, simply align the elevation to the other roof slab. Once the inconsistencies are fixed, terminate the editor and exit.